CJ.
CJ! Yan ang yellow team!
And our last medical six of the volleyball men goes to brother Demi. White team. Sino ang representative ng white team?
Amen?
Picture sila.
Award?
Okay. Music, palakasan mo ng konti. Our MVP for the volleyball men for the year 2025 goes to Alexis. Ang pagpili po ng ating pong mga nanalo ay based on their performance and scores na ginawa po nila sa ating pong sports. Okay? Okay, picture po lahat ng mga volleyball, medical 6 and MVP.
Sa gitna ka, anak.
Adelante. Chicos. Adelante, aquí. En el medio.
Sí, pero mira, no.
Ayan po ang ating mga winner sa ating pong volleyball men's team.
Palakpakan po natin sila.
Sila! Congratulations po sa inyo. At hindi lang po ngayon, maybe every Sunday kasama po namin kayo.
Amen.
Ayan po, next year. So, God bless you more. Yeah. Congratulations po sa inyo. God bless.
Thank you.
Inabot ko sa akin dito.
Okay. After the awarding of our medical 6 of the volleyball men, we're going to our medical 6 of the volleyball women's category.
And the donor is from sponsors from District Volleyball Team Ball District Barcelona.
Okay. If you hear your name, just proceed here, the stage. First, to be mentioned, medical 6 of the volleyball women goes to Sarah. Wala po si... Wala pa po si Ate Sarah? Okay.
May kukuha na lang po.
Mythical 6 of the volleyball women category goes to Sister Grace. Once again, lahat po ng mga napili po ay based on their performance and score na kanilang pong ginawa sa ating pong sports.
Okay, next po. Get ready.
Get ready to our last Mythical 6 volleyball women category goes to Raisa.
Yan ang mga
Okay, get ready for the announcement of our most valuable player of the women's category volleyball goes to... Maraming pong salamat muli sa lahat po ng ating pong mga sponsors ng ating pong sports fest ng ating pong iglesia. Muli po ay ang Diyos po ang magbabalik po sa inyo na mas marami pong pagpapala sa inyong pong mga buhay. Our MVP goes to Sister Joyce.
Guys, sino po yung muse nyo? Ayan na lang, ang kukuha. Yes, pagkakataon mo na mami to receive the trophy. Ayan. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all our Medical 6 and MVP of the year 2025 Women's Volleyball category.
Yes, palakpakan po natin sila.
Picture.
Saan po, mami? Sa gitna ka po, mami. Yes.
Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to proceed to our medical time for the basketball men. Ready na po ba kayo?
Pwede na po ba kayong mag 3 points ngayon? 2
Okay.
points.
Our first medical 5 of the basketball men goes to
Palakpakan natin! Ayan!
Marvin!
Congratulations, Brother Marvin. Sa iyong mga
Ay, sa lahat po pala ng mga nag-MVP, kayo po ay magsasalita mamaya.
yes!
Okay, our second medical 5 basketball men's category goes to Christian from White Team.
White team ba yun? White team! Yan ang magiging ninyong manlalaro sa basketball.
Our third medical 5 goes bibigay. Sino ba?
Away pa na.
Ate Joy ulit!
Brother Ricky, out. Check na lang.
May speech yan.
Mamaya may speech kahit yung representative din.
Picture, picture. Yung lahat po ng critical and most valuable player. Dito po kayo sa harapan. Dito po kayo. Lapit po kayo dito sa harapan. Forward, forward. Wala po ba kayong palakpakan dyan?
Uy, may bata.
Okay. And now, our awardees of the champions of each categories po ng ating pong sports fest. Okay.
Okay, pupunta na po tayo sa first.
Our third runner-up of the volleyball men's category goes to White Team!